Hi, my name is Gani Sarindatu. So in this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial how to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox. But before you start to install Ubuntu, you need to download application, VirtualBox application from internet and also ISO file from internet. So the first thing that you have to do is open your favorite browser. And here's I am using Chrome as my browser, and then I'm gonna open Google and write download VirtualBox to download VirtualBox. And there is a lot of articles appears in your computer, but all you need to do is just click the first article that appeared in your computer or your laptop. So this is a VirtualBox site, and you need to download the file and then make sure that it match with your operating system on your computer. So I use a Windows, so that's why I'm gonna click the Windows and then start to download it. So this is a download file. You need to wait for a few minutes until the download process done. And after that, you need to install a VirtualBox. I think that I don't need to tell you how to install the VirtualBox because it's really simple. You just click the file and then click next until the install process done. And this is the first look of VirtualBox. Okay, we move to the next step. We have to download ISO file of Ubuntu on the internet. Okay, open your browser and write Ubuntu on Google. And then click the first site that appears on your computer. So this is the official site of Ubuntu. All you need to do is just click the download button. As you can see in the left side, you're gonna see Ubuntu Desktop and then click the green button, the right 22.04 LTS, which means that this is the latest version of Ubuntu Desktop, and then start to download. Wait until the download process done. After you finish download the ISO file of Ubuntu, you need to go back to VirtualBox and then click New. So this is the first dialog. To create a virtual machine, name and operating system, you need to set the name, machine folder, type, and version. I'm gonna give the name as Ubuntu, and machine folder I'm gonna put on my local DC, type Linux, and a version Ubuntu 64-bit. But if you have a computer with a 32-bit, make sure that you have to change the version as Ubuntu 32-bit and click next. After that, you need to set memory site. Select the amount of memory in megabyte to be allocated to the virtual machine. But I leaving that as default and click next. And create a virtual hard disk now. Leave it as default and click create. And click VDA VirtualBox disk image. Leave it as default too. And then dynamically allocate it next. Click create. Go to the setting menu. As you can see in the left side, click storage, empty, and then click the logo, the disk logo with the blue color, and then start to search Ubuntu file that you have downloaded a few minutes ago and click open. Click the green button with start to start installation. Wait a few minutes until the process is done and click try or install Ubuntu. Press enter on your computer. Wait until the process is done and choose English as a default language and then install Ubuntu. You can also change the language with your own language. And setting keyboard layout, I'm gonna use English US and click continue. And this updates and other software, you can leave it as default and click continue. So installation type, you need to press the button erase this and install Ubuntu, but you don't need to worry about that because that's not gonna erase your whole file in your computer because it's just a simulation in a VirtualBox. So you just leave it as default and then click continue. So this is the information of your location right now. You can leave it as default and click continue. And in this dialog, absolutely contain the information about you and your computer. All you need to do is just write your name, your computer's name, username, and then create a password. And then here's the example. I use my name as my computer's name, Ganis Arindatu, and I pick a username and I create a strongest password. Make sure that you have to create a strong password with a combined with alphabet character and also like a number or any other character. And then after you finish that, click to continue. Wait until the installation process done, and then wait the progress bar until reach 100%. Installation process complete, and you need to click restart now. Wait until the process done, and then you're gonna see your account that you have made before. Click account and input password. You can also connect to your online account like Google or Microsoft, but I just click skip. And help improve Ubuntu, click next. You can also setting your privacy location service. You can also turn it off or turn it on. I just click next. And you can also install a software on your operating system, but I just click done, and then your installation process is already done. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this is helping you. And I'm gonna leave a link download VirtualBox and Ubuntu ISO file in the description below. Leave the comment what tutorial that I have to make in the next video and thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ganis Arindatu. Thank you.